Good morning, Ram. How are you, man? How are you? Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone is doing great today. We are back with our live stream. Not able to hear anything. Okay, can you hear me now, Ram? Good morning, good morning. Can you hear me, man? What is happening? All right, great. Amazing. How are you? How are you, my man? Oh, what kind of voices are this, man? I'm doing great, man. I'm doing great. How are you? Are you doing good? Good morning. What's the trading plan today, bro? Hi, Karishma. How are you? Brother, so today's trading plan as usual. So we're going to do the top to bottom analysis on the gold and we'll see that how the gold is going to give us some profits or nothing today. Let's see. And basically, I'm hiring some people. I'm hiring some people for some of my future projects. So I'm just, talking to them as at the same time I'm just streaming to you. So just for you guys, this is how much I committed to you guys. Um, Made any money on the CPI? Yes, I made some money on the CPI. I'm gonna show it later on. Some losses, some profits yesterday, but it was good. It was good. I made some money. How about you guys? How about you guys? Let's just remove these old drawings. So let's take a look on the account first, man. On the MyFX book, let's see where our account is at today. As so far, the gains are 75%. Okay. As you guys know that this is a Dominion Markets live account, basically. Oops. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? So we made overall the growth of 75% on this account. All right. So these are the forecasts, the profitability, and yeah, that's it. That's it. See, the graph goes up. Damn, that's crazy. So monthly gain, they have estimated. Yeah, see, 1 to 2%, the daily gains. If you guys say that I'm not talking the truth, if you guys say, if you guys are talking about like, yeah, so if you guys, don't believe me that I talk like 1 to 2% in a single day, believe to the MyFX book, believe to the data. So this is a real Dominion market account, right? So we overall grew like, the 75%, and we grew 1% in a single day, just 1%. And that 1% means, almost we grew some big trades 40% in this month, you know, and the overall drawdown is 8%, and my overall balance is right now sitting at $52,000, and the profit is $22,000 right here. My balance was $30,000. I didn't took any withdrawals yet. I'm gonna take it a withdrawal when it reaches to the 100,000. That's my target. That's my freaking target. I didn't take any trade. I missed it. Amazing. People should, be away from the CPI and the NFP trades. It's not good for it. So you see the risk. So hourly, daily, basically winning, right? Amazing. So the goals, let's go. If I go the same way up, that's still impressive. See, the 1% only, I say. The 1% daily growth is enough. 1 to 2% in a single day, that's enough. And I go to the balance. The balance grew all the way to the 52,000 right now. Impressive. No? No. Yes. It is impressive. All right. So let's take a look on the gold, what it's doing right now. Let's move to the weekly. Let's move to the weekly. Yeah, the weekly we see we are still holding this level. We are still holding the 4,000 as a support. Yeah, here 4,000 is still being held as a support. So it might this week be break below this level, or it might continue pushing up again. Who knows? But looking at this rejection, it looks like it's going to be bearish move. At the daily perspective, if you look at it, that we have created a sort of support yesterday. sort of a support yesterday, and it might be the current daily candle might be making a wick down and then continue pushing up and fill this wick and might move till here. Let's see. Or in the second scenario, it might continue pushing down, break this low, and continue falling down furthermore. This is the second scenario. The third scenario could be the daily could close like this, and the next daily candle wick up and then continue pushing down. That could happen. We'll see on the 4 hour time frame now. The 4 hour is bearish, daily is bearish, 4 hour is bearish, right? So we have 1 hour, 50 minutes left, almost 2 hours left for this candle to close. Now, if this closes like a bullish candle, then high chances for the next candle to continue pushing up all the way till here and fill these wicks. That could happen. Now, looking at the 1 hour, 1 hour is consolidating. It's bearish, but it's consolidating, right? So let's take a look on the 30 minute. 30 minute is purely stuck between this range. Let's make the levels now. Let me make the levels right. That's right here. Okay, so 30 minute is stuck between these levels. Okay, let's move on the 15 minutes time frame. Let's see how. Yeah, correct. All right. So what we are looking at, when we break below this level, we have a range of 60 and moving with the 70, 80 pips. When we break above this level, we have the range of like same 50, 60 pips. And on 30 minute, when you look at the 30 minute, if you break above this level, you have a range of at least like how much? How much? Like 200 pips. 200 pip range. So we're gonna say the price above this level. Price above 40.35. I'm not sure about the cells right here because we see we have small range somewhere around here. For the buys, we got the biggest range, and this is impressive. And this range is for 200 plus. I'm willing to buy. I mean, to be honest, I'm good with the buys. But as it's bearish, let's see. Let's see where the breakout could happen. Let's see. Oops, sorry. Yeah. So on the CPI, basically I took these trades on yesterday. Yesterday I took these trades on CPI. Let me, yeah, that was one loss on the stream, and that was when CPI happens. I took like $1,500 loss. The second trade also was like, first trade hit the stop loss of 40.77, and the second trade I closed like a break even, and rest of the trades were good. Like one profit, second profit, third, fourth. Yeah, like the four trades were in profit. So yesterday I closed in profit with CPI. With CPI, we closed in profit yesterday. So yesterday we booked some profits with the CPI basically. What gold is doing right now? Let's see. See, on 15-minute time frame is making a sort of like here, but not enough range. 30, stop loss is 50. That's not good, by the way. Not a good range to trade. So I will declare that no trade zone. We'll wait for a breakout. Let's wait for the breakout. We'll see how that goes. All right. Can we expect volume today? Yes, we can. I mean, in the in this is London Open, right? London Open happened already, like as we started the stream. So still ranging, but we can say that if it like break below and see, we might see the volume in the next 15 minutes. Then it's gonna be crazy, or it's gonna be doing the volume, shifting the volume to the New York session. And New York session volume, as we know, it's gonna be wild. Let's take a look on the Forex factory at this point. Let's take a look on the Forex factory. So today we got the core PPI. That's not going to be the high volume news in the New York, but it's going to be volume because we got the federal chairman Wash testifies, and these motherfuckers are going to shift their testicles to the. If you know, you know. If you know, you know what I wanted to say. But we can expect some volume today. I mean, if it like breaks above, then it's gonna be a good trade. It will be considered as a good trade. Like the stream, man. Whoever coming new, like the stream, subscribe. Like the stream, subscribe. Yesterday was crazy. We did these profits. How do we do the custom history from, let's say, damn, what are you doing, man? So these were the trades yesterday. Is it gonna break now? Okay, the market is moving. Market is moving, but we want it to break below this level. Let's see. Let's see what's gonna play out. All right, it's just moving. It's just moving, right? So it might be like, breakout below this, and which I think that is gonna correct the whole move. It's gonna correct the whole move basically, from yesterday CPI. So yesterday's move might be corrected out up. So let's see what I'm talking about. So basically, move come from here. The whole move is already been corrected, right? The CPI move is being corrected all the way till here. Now the two scenarios: either it's just break below this, grab the liquidity till here, and then continue pushing up again. That could extremely happen. That could happen tremendously, right? So this is what can happen, and we are just waiting for a break below this level to trade. This is the plan for today right now. This is the only thing we are looking for today. That's it. That's fucking it. That's fucking it. We got 3 minutes left for this candle to close. 3 minutes left for this candle to close. Oh, how it's moving, I like it. We just need a breakout. We just need a breakout, and we'll see. Damn, it's moving. It's moving. What do you think, guys? What do you think? It's gonna be a sell or it's gonna be a buy? It's gonna be a right breakout, or it's just gonna be continue pushing down, or it will just grab the liquidity and come back up. What do you think? Tell me in comments. Tell me in comments. What do you think? We missed it. No, we didn't missed it, bro. It just moved. It just moved. Yes, we have to wait for it to create the resistance, then take sells. Yes, that's right. And we didn't miss it. See, it's better to miss a trade without a confirmation than entering right here in the no trade zone, and it might come and reject and go back up and give you loss. It's better, right? We have still 1 minute left. If it did close like this, and next candle wake up and then break its own low, we can say then it can fill this wick and continue pushing down till here. Still there is chance. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait at this point. Nothing else. And what do you think, guys? I mean, what is your perspective about the gold for today? Is it gonna grab the liquidity and go back up on the daily candle basis, or it's gonna continue falling? What do you think? Tell me in comments. Share your perspectives. Or you guys can share your charts. You guys also can share your charts. See, the next candle is not making a wake up. So, if it wake up and come back down, break its own low, we have just 40 pips, and our stop loss will be 30, 40 pips somewhere around here. Does it worth it? I don't think so. 40, 50 pips and might continue pushing down. Or if it gives a, or if it breaks above and close above here, gives us a fake out as a liquidity, then definitely it's going to continue pushing up all the way till here. Two scenarios right now. Would you take a sell when it breaks below this level for just 50 pips and putting your 30, 40 pips in loss, I mean on the risk, or if it breaks above, close above this level, gives us a fake out, and then you can take a buy instantly for this level, which is almost like 80, 90 pips. What do you prefer? What you guys prefer? What do you guys prefer? What do you guys prefer? Either you're gonna go for buys once this candle gives us a fake out and retrace all the way up till here, right? If it closes like this, then you can take a trade till here, 80 pips, putting a stop loss below this level, 20, 30 pips. Or you prefer this candle breaks its own low, then just 40 pips. What do you guys think? I'm gonna go for the buys, but waiting for 10 minutes left for this candle to close. Once it closes like this, immediately I'm gonna put a buy and let's see if we can continue pushing up then. It was gonna give us a fake out then. Very simple logic behind it. Very, very simple logic behind it. What will be PPI news move today on gold? Bro, look, today PPI is I don't think so it's gonna be, bringing the more volume just because it's a Fed chairman's speech. So this is gonna be a bullish move, I guess. It's gonna be a bullish. See why I'm saying that is the gold is gonna be sorry, the US dollar is gonna be weaker. Why? See, in every speech of their there's a logic behind it. If you are running a country, okay, people are investing into that country, stock market, the goods, everything else. But when a war begins, but which is not in your control, like US is controlling in Middle East, US is controlling in like the Europe, US is controlling the all the countries which are like the Ukraine, the the Greenland, Venezuela, whatever. So basically, they are controlling this. But when it comes to things are out of your control, and you're declaring a war against a country who doesn't follow your rules, then definitely there are going to be damages in the stock market. Then what you will do? You will take your money out from their stock market, stop investing in that country. Instead of it, invest into the safe haven, which is gold, and which can bring up to a very good volume upside. And the US dollar is going to be very, very weaker. See, it's breaking the low. I didn't took this trade because the range is so low. Okay, it's a very low range, which is just like 40 pips, but your stop loss is going to be like 50 pips, which I don't like. So I'm going to avoid this trade. We're just going to wait then. It might continue pushing down more, but we're going to avoid this trade because the range is too low range. So what's going to be your the sell range? The sell's going to be below this level now. Sell's going to be this level now. Bro, this is where we're going to sell now. If it closes below this level, because see, we have a clean range from left hand side, which is like almost 130 pips on 30 minute, on 15 minute. It's the same. Let me make it correct. Right. So we got a range of almost 114 pips, 40 pips, which is a great range. This is what we are looking for. Now you have a clear setup for sells and for the buys. You got sells below this level and you got buys above this level. But if it closes like a support somewhere around here, then it's going to be a opportunity to buy then. It's kind of a supply here, but let's see how things gonna play out. We'll see how this thing's gonna be playing out for us. Just waiting at this point. Honestly, nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. I think it's gonna take too long to, when we break below the 4012, then it's going to be a very good trade. Other than that, just wait for a support created right at this point, and then it might continue pushing up till here. Then it might continue pushing up till this point, till here. A support need to be created at this right some around here. Then you can go for it. And you can go for it. Just wait for this candle close bullish. Then we might find a very good trade till here. Wait for this candle to close bullish. 30-minute is so messy. But on 15-minute we see some clear ranges. We will give it a call. We will give it a call. Wait for 15 minutes for this 30 minute sorry 12 minutes for this candle to close, and then we will see how the things is going to play out basically. Okay, so we got like 8 minutes left for this candle to close. If that closes bearish, then I suppose it's not going to be a trade for today in this session. But if it did close above this range and bullish, then it's going to be a very good trade. All right. So, we have like 4 minutes left for this candle to close, and if it closes like this one and above this level, I am really willing to take this trade. Then I'm then really willing to take this trade. Then let's see then where this trade is going to be leading us. Okay, 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left for now. Let's see how this candle closes. If it closes above this range and respect the previous candle is low, then I'm gonna be taking this trade. Because the stop loss is gonna be too low. Stop loss is gonna be too low, and things are gonna be more interesting. Let's see. Let's see. Wanted to close above this range, make a support right here, then gonna push up. We'll create a support. All right. So, and if the next candle wick up and break this low, then also we got like 40 pips, but the stop loss is gonna be so big. This is what I don't like. This is what I don't like. And 30 minute is about to close also like this. Let's take a look on the 1 hour. Things are closed. 1 hour is pretty bearish. Looking at the 1 hour, things are messier. I mean, 1 hour can continue pushing down till here, all the way till here. Damn. Taking a sell here, putting your if we take a short right at this point, let's take profit is let's take a look on the 1 hour. And what take profit is like how much? Based on 1 hour is 50 pips. Stop loss is 30, 40 pips. 1-to-1 risk to reward. It's crazy. No, I don't want to enter in a messy range like this. Other thing is like it just broke below this low within just 1 minute. Within just 1 minute, it just broke this low. This is why I don't like this trade. Even though if it goes down till here or till here, let it be. I wanted it to like wake up and then continue pushing down, break this low, come till here in 5 minutes at least. And it just came all the way down in just 1 minute, less than a minute. This is what I don't like. This is what I don't really like. So, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna end this stream right here. And if any good entry I find it, I will share it with you guys in my Telegram channel, and we'll share the Telegram channel link is right here. Let me share it. HTTP. My gangster trade. All right. Whoever is not into that group channel, just click on this link and join the channel, and we'll share the links here. See what I was talking about? This is why I didn't took this trade. In just 1 minute, if it just break below this low, I don't like it. Most people take the trades here and they get stuck because it rejected all the way up. This is why we avoid trading like this. Okay, guys, I'm gonna head off now. Okay, and best of luck. We'll see you guys tomorrow at the same time on the same channel. Have a good one. Bye bye.